Yo! Hey, what's up everybody? Sam here. Today we are going to unbox the Touroll J1 ST J1 step through. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first let's check out what's in the box. There is a box here. Some normal stuff, pedals, throttle control, menu, and the charger. Alright, that's all what's included in the box. Now, let's assemble it. First, to the handlebars. Okay, alright, that's the handlebar. Let's move to the front wheel. First, the mud guard. Okay, perfect. Now, the front wheel. Perfect. Now, let's install the rest. To the pedals, left, right. Oh, okay. Last, let's connect. Now let's just power on. All right, that's the screen. It shows you the battery percentage, your current speed, trip. The Touroll also has one J1 edition that with the top bar. That's the unboxing and installation. I will do a very detailed review later. Please subscribe if you haven't. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.